Here is a common catalog operations problem. I have an approved product catalog and a supplier just sent an updated version. Some products moved around, some fields changed, a couple of new products were added, and one product was removed. I do not want to compare this by eye across 9 columns. In Settings, I choose Structural Diff and switch on Simple Mode. Now the primary column becomes the ID that Sheetdiff uses to track each record, so I select SKU. Then I select the business fields I care about: product name, category, price, stock, status, channel, owner, and the compliance note. Now I run the comparison. The baseline is the approved catalog, and the Compare To sheet is the supplier update. Because this is simple mode, the output is intentionally plain. What stayed the same, what changed, what was added, and what was deleted. At the top, Sheetdiff gives me a raw summary: 5 unchanged products, 6 modified products, 2 additions, and 1 deletion. The legend keeps the review simple. White rows are unchanged, yellow rows changed, green rows are new, and red rows were removed. Here is the useful part for a catalog team. Aurora Lamp was matched by SKU, and Sheetdiff tells me exactly which fields changed: price, stock, and the compliance note. Fjord Chair was paused and its stock dropped to 0. Lumen Mirror now needs review because the compliance note changed. I am not hunting cell by cell. The changed fields are highlighted and summarized for me. The supplier file did not keep the same row order. And that's another matter where you can enable Detect Moved Rows in the settings. But Simple Mode still matches records by SKU instead of treating every shifted row as a change. New products show up in green, like Mesa Planter and NovaBin. The removed product, Drift Day Pack, is preserved in red so the team can confirm whether it was intentionally discontinued. This is Sheetdiff,